Okay po.
Mamu, yun nga, team captain ka na pala, so paano mo tinatanggap yun? Ano mo na reaction mo pala?
Well, syempre, di naman may iwasan siguro magka-doubt kasi syempre, for 4th year ko pa lang and napili na ako maging team captain. And yung mga sinusundan kong naging leader, medyo mabigat-bigat. I mean, si Kuya Gabe and si Kuya Bo, considered to be siguro 2 of the best people or leaders the organization, or better yet, the league has ever had or seen. And for me, syempre, malaking shoes to fill yun. Pero I still consider myself very, very lucky kasi usually ang captaincy lumilipat pag nag-retire ang tao or yung player or umalis. Pero in my case, nandito pa rin sila, matatakbuhan ko pa rin sila for help. So really, really lucky and siguro grateful din. I'm really grateful na sa tiwala ng teammates ko, ng coaches ko, kasi pwede naman nilang sabihin na hindi mangyari, pero nalaw nila and may tiwala sila na kaya ko, and malaking bagay na yun for me.
So far, anong mga roles mo sa team captain? Ano yung...
Recently pa lang naman po yun, so medyo wala pa, pero siguro in the future, marami-rami na rin. And yan, wala pa naman po. Wala pa naman major so far.
Naging team captain ka na ba ever?
Sa Ateneo po, nung last year ko, team captain ako noon ng bubble po. And nung high school din po sa Ateneo din.
Okay, siyempre, last season, nung semis.
Apat po.
Siyempre, goal nyo to go beyond that semi-final.
Yes,
so, ngayon, may Stanley Pringan kayo.
Yes.
Important yun. May additional veteran presence kayo.
Yun, opo, totoo yun. Another veteran experience. Lalo na kami din, mga young guys, pwede kaming matuto from him. And another steady presence. So, malaking bagay. And hopefully, makalagpas naman kami ng semis kasi puro semis na po kami. And sabi nga ni Coach Cheng, this is our window siguro. Sana, hopefully, manalo kami ng first ever championship ni Coach Cheng sa All-Filipino. Sana maging kami yon. Kasi with this group, yung closeness namin together, makikita nyo araw-araw, magkukulitan kami sa practices, close kaming lahat. So ako talaga, personally, I really want to win with this group of guys, and hopefully magawa namin.
Wake up!